Assalamu alaikum everyone, and a very warm welcome back to another informative video on our channel. If you are currently involved in the world of YouTube automation, TikTok automation, or Facebook automation, or perhaps you are focusing your efforts on platforms like Snapchat and Instagram, you know that the biggest and most frustrating issue we often face is the complexity of working with bulk accounts. Whether your video accounts are suddenly getting suspended, permanently banned, or if you are dealing with any other related technical issues and hurdles we frequently encounter in this industry, accounts are frequently getting banned, more and more people are getting banned, and even the anti-detection browsers themselves are increasingly getting banned. The vast majority of our daily work is being done specifically on these browsers. But I don't know how many of you have actually noticed that all these various apps we are working on, such as TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, are all primarily social apps designed specifically for mobile devices. Yet the work we are doing is on anti-detect browsers, which are fundamentally based on the desktop version of Chrome and their respective websites. The work is being done through specialized mobile applications. If we start managing everything, meaning all the multiple accounts we are currently managing through these mobile devices, and every mobile has a different IP address, and each mobile has a unique digital fingerprint, then our overall risk will be significantly reduced. But there is one major problem. If we want to manage our multiple accounts through these mobile apps, then for that specific purpose, we need. Today, after doing a lot of extensive research, I finally found a software called GeeLark. It functions similarly to a typical anti-detect browser that many of you might know. But the most fascinating part is that it's not actually a browser. It is a specialized anti-detect mobile environment. Just like we use tools such as Go Login or More Login to log into our accounts through Chrome browsers and work there. In that same way, this platform provides an anti-detect phone where we can operate and manage several independent mobile devices simultaneously, where we can go and efficiently handle and manage a wide variety of different accounts on a single device. Every single individual mobile device will have a completely different fingerprint, and every single mobile will have its own unique IP address. If we use the mobile app on the mobile device itself, manage everything right there, and upload from that specific location, then every single mobile will have a completely separate IP address, and each mobile will have its own unique fingerprints. Consequently, the overall risk to our accounts will be significantly reduced. If you want to download this software, I'll provide the link to its official website in the comment section below, and you can also find that link in the video description as well. Once you have arrived at the website, simply click right here on the button labeled download, and with just one simple click, the file will begin downloading to your computer. After that, you just need to select the version you need here, such as for Windows or Mac. For example, here I am doing it for Windows, so you need to click here and the download will start. You just have to install its setup, and after installing it, since I already have the application installed on my computer, I'll just go ahead and open it right here. Once you have successfully opened your account, you will be presented with a user interface that looks exactly like this one. But before you can access that, you will first need to log into your personal account right here. On this very same website, you need to navigate to the sign up section here, and whatever your chosen login password happens to be, after arriving at this page, you will need to log in using those same credentials immediately after you finish signing up. So first of all, the very first thing we need to do is to get everything set up properly. Click right here. I'll go ahead and click on new profile here, and immediately after that, you can easily set the specific name of your new profile. The name should be chosen such that if you want to work on YouTube, or you want to work on Facebook, or perhaps you want to work on TikTok, you should name it accordingly to stay organized. For example, right now I'm doing some TikTok automation and I need to manage 10 or maybe 5 different TikTok accounts. So here I'll simply name it TikTok 1, and right here, I have set this up as my TikTok account number 1. You can also choose to use your niche name here, whether it's TikTok 1, health, IT, or anything else, basically whatever you want to name it. After you have done that, you can select a group for it. You can check this further. These aren't particularly important things to worry about right now. There's the group option and there's the tag option. These are just helpful ways for you to categorize and manage your account according to your personal preferences, so you can organize these things as you like. If you have already successfully added the configuration, you will automatically come to this specific section within the app, or if you prefer, you can manually go to the custom tab and select it from there. Here in this menu, we get a wide variety of different options for proxies in mProxy. There's NodeMeon and many other reliable providers as well. If you choose to select no proxy, then the application will run directly on your own local internet connection without any redirection. I will show you a complete demo running on this local setup as well, and then after that, we'll also run one using a proxy server to show you exactly how the whole process works. That is exactly why, regardless of the specific data or content you are currently extracting, it is absolutely essential that you purchase your proxies directly from that source. To handle this effectively, what I personally tend to do in my own workflow is rely on a service called IP Royal. In fact, I find myself using IP Royal for the vast majority of my projects. So right here in this session, I am going to carefully select a high quality proxy from the IP Royal dashboard to provide a clear demonstration and teach you exactly how the entire process works from start to finish. So there is a proxy. It is as simple as that. Here I have already selected the United States, so I will simply buy it right here. I'm going to pay for it through my available balance here. So our new IP address has been successfully purchased here. Now I will set it up as a SOCKS 5 proxy, and after setting it as SOCKS 5, I simply copy all of its details here. After copying, you need to select SOCKS 5 in this menu, and then after coming to the IP host field, I will paste it here using Ctrl+V, sit. So here you can also check the proxy status. I will check the proxy connection right here. I'm going to click on it, and now it will provide a confirmation for me that you are using a USA proxy. After the proxy, scroll down to the device information section. Here you can select any specific Android version you want. I'll leave it at Android 15 for now. And here you can specify exactly how you want to charge for it, either monthly rented or pay per minute. Here I'm choosing the pay per minute option. Then in the advanced settings, scroll down a bit and you'll see all of the technical details of your mobile device. Just like when you use any standard mobile data plan, for example, when we run any SIM card in zone cleaners, you can think of this as being that same type of network. So for this reason, you should definitely leave it set to cellular right here. After you have done that, your mobile number will be automatically generated. But if you want to customize it, you can enter any number here based on your preference. Then for the location setting, you will need to specify the United States here. Regarding the device brand, you can select this as a custom option here. You have the freedom to choose which device you want to use. There's Redmi, Samsung, and even iPhones. Right now, I'm selecting Samsung here. It's the Samsung S25 Ultra. You'll find so many options here, far more than you could ever imagine. I'm choosing the S25 Ultra here, and after that, the device name is automatically generated for you. You can customize it and manually write your own custom name if you want, but I'll leave it as auto-generated. And there are a few more changes you need to make below as well, and then you absolutely won't have to worry about facing any frustrating issues like your personal account getting suspended or permanently banned just because of your IP address. Okay, so quite simply, all you need to do is just click on this create button right here. Immediately after creating it, you will see that your new profile will be fully set up and ready to go right here. If you take a close look on the right side of the screen, you'll clearly see it's already set to the USA, America, and you can easily check the rest of the specific details here as well. So for our TikTok One account setup today, let's see what we need to do next, similar to what we did before. But right now, I'll show you how to create a second profile here without using any proxy. Just click here. To create a second profile, I'm clicking on new profile here, and then you simply need to enter the name of your profile here. Since this is my second TikTok account, I'll name it TT2 TikTok 2. After that, for the proxy setting, it's set to SOCKS5. But here, I'm selecting no proxy for the local network. As for device information, it's simple. Here, you can leave it as the default custom setting, or if you want to modify the configuration to suit your needs, you can certainly do so. I'm creating it right here. And after successfully creating it, you'll see that on the right side, our Asia Karachi location is showing up here, and our phone number has been automatically selected as Pakistan. So come here and see that this is direct, and it's Android Pakistan and Android 15 USA. This specific one is going through our local network, and this other one where we had manually added a proxy is showing us the USA location right here. I am also clicking right here on this button now, and as soon as I perform this click, you will notice that our anti-detector mobile system will immediately turn on in this section. So you are going to see right here that first of all of its internal data is currently being fetched from the server, but whatever our previous usage history happens to be, it will automatically appear right here on the screen. After that process is complete, the system will fully start up, and then whatever the specific connector mobile happens to be, I will show you exactly how it works here by using it and demonstrating its features for a little bit. It's running smoothly right here, and over here is its built-in timer showing exactly how many minutes I've been using it for. Here we can easily rotate the screen, and besides that, for the time being, I'll just leave it exactly as it is. If you want to upload a file here or perhaps export something, there's a camera included in it, and there are even more multiple features available like adjusting the volume or completely restarting the system, basically whatever you want to do. Essentially, what we get is a completely new mobile device inside it. Whatever you want to do, you can do it all right inside here. Here, I'm going to click on the Chrome icon, and after clicking on Chrome, I'll show you a few things here. I'm currently using it without an account. Now, one fun thing to note is that within a single device, you can use 10, 20, 30, or even 50 profiles, however many you want, right here. Here, I'm showing you my location. So the mobile we opened earlier was this one, the one without a proxy. Like, see, this is our direct LAN connection. So this one was definitely without a proxy. That's exactly why our Lahore location is showing up right here on the screen. Now I'll go ahead and open the second mobile device as well. Just like in an anti-detect browser where we can open multiple proxies and multiple accounts at a time, it's the same here. We can open multiple mobiles at once. Now on the second side, we'll turn on the second one as well. So the second mobile, the one with the USA location, has also been opened here. And first of all, let me show you a very interesting thing. Our current local time is 2. Right here, this is our Lahore mobile device where we haven't used any proxy at all. And the local time showing here is exactly 2:58 p.m. Now on the other one where we have used the USA proxy, the time showing is 4:58. Okay. So this comparison should give you a much better idea of the difference. Now I'll show you the specific location of the second USA mobile here so you can see exactly which Rhino location is currently showing on it. So I'll simply go ahead and if you take a look at the screen, the location showing up right now is California because that is exactly where I have set my USA proxy server. Okay, so for now, I am going to go ahead and close both of these windows. Other than that, you can do all kinds of professional work on them. You can do advanced TikTok automation, manage your YouTube channels, or if you want to run multiple Instagram accounts at once, or even if you want to work on Snapchat. Basically, whatever you are looking to accomplish online, these tools will allow you to handle it all with complete ease and efficiency. It's a truly amazing and powerful feature. If you take a close look right here, you can easily create image to video content, and all of the very latest AI models are currently available for you to use. There's Kling 3.0, Bo 3.0, then Helio AI, and multiple other cutting-edge AI tools designed for professional video generation and image to video workflows. Absolutely all of them are available right here in one place. In this section, you can carefully select their aspect ratio and set the resolution to fit your specific needs. I really wanted to generate a beautiful nature video to show you, so let me go ahead and play this specific video clip for you right here. This was a truly amazing and impressive video because I simply didn't provide the system with any kind of specific details, complex instructions, or particular parameters about a particular area of nature, a certain climate, or anything like that at all. I just told it that I wanted a high quality nature video, and it went ahead and automatically generated this absolutely stunning footage for me from scratch. So right after that process was finished and the video was ready, we decided to if you take a close look at our selection, the powerful AI models we currently have available include GPT-2, the Advanced Clip 3.0, Nano, and a wide variety of many others. Absolutely all of the professional tools currently being used for high-quality AI image generation can be found right here, conveniently located within this very same unified interface. Additionally, you can do even more creative work with this versatile tool. For example, you can easily produce all the trending toy mechanics videos that are so popular these days, including those engaging shorts and reels you might have frequently seen while scrolling through your feed. You can easily generate high quality images right from here. For example, this is the specific image that I mentioned would be the first image. And then this one right over here will serve as our second image. Now, if you navigate to the image to video section, after entering the interface, you can select the DView Clip 3.0 model here. For both the first frame and the last frame, provide both of your images along with your specific prompts and your final video will be processed and ready for you. Once you have completed this process, and after that is done, every single piece of data that is generated on its server will automatically come into your personal library. After that, its next major feature is GeeLark AI, which provides a platform where you can engage in conversation. You can have multiple different chats, just like you do with ChatGPT servers or Claude servers. No matter what kind of questions you might want to ask, you can ask them right here. Basically, this entire system is integrated with DeepSeek AI. I haven't added it here yet, so this is where you go ahead and manually add your own personal account. For example, I've added all my base accounts here by clicking add account and linking them all up directly to the system. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media accounts you want to add, you can do it right here. So for example, right now it's telling me that you currently have a total of 9 followers on Rhino. Basically, this is how it works. All your account details, information, and statistics are clearly displayed like this for you. And after that, if we talk about the applications available here, this is truly the most exciting feature. Whether it's TikTok Asia, TikTok Global, Instagram, or even Facebook, you can work on all of them. There are countless applications here that you can work on. Basically, it's just like having a proper, fully functional mobile device, but entirely digitally. You absolutely don't need to go out and physically buy a mobile phone here at all. Moving forward from there, we also have automation capabilities available here as well. If, for example, you are looking to log into a specific TikTok account and you happen to have 50 or even 100 different accounts to manage, and you want to set everything up just once so that the entire process becomes fully automated, then all of your various accounts will start logging in one by one in a completely automatic fashion. Whether you are focusing on the essential TikTok account warm-up process or any other specific task you have in mind, you can easily specify exactly whatever you want right here in the setting, and your account will be handled in a very natural and human-like way automatically by the system. The most fascinating thing about this setup is this particular unique feature that stands out. Let me tell you all about how this cool feature works in practice. Right here, I simply go ahead and click on Add, and immediately after clicking on Add, I'm able to select any of the various profiles that I have previously added here. Whatever specific task you want to accomplish, you can easily do it right here. For example, I will open these two specific options and then select these two here to show you how it works. I am currently opening them up right now, and for the specific ones I have selected, you can clearly see their mini versions appearing right here. You should think of them as tiny, fully functional mini mobile phones that have just appeared on your screen. For example, if I had decided to open 20 different mobiles here, then 20 individual mini mobiles would have appeared here in exactly this way. Okay, so the great thing here is that you can easily manage every single one of your accounts within a single tab, keeping everything organized all in one convenient place. After that is done for now, I will go ahead and show you the next steps. I added about $30 extra of my own money to it, and I bought one of their plans that allows us to gain full access to 20 mobiles. Basically, it costs us approximately $1 per mobile for a whole month. As you can clearly see, their basic plan is structured exactly like that. Indeed, let's take a look at their pricing details right here. One thing is that we get 20 profiles for $20, and proxies can also be obtained manually for $1 or $2 each. You will need to purchase your own personal mobile devices for this process, but fortunately, they aren't actually that expensive at all, so you can easily do that right here as well. Alternatively, you have the choice to buy server minutes, or you can even directly pay them a rental fee for the use of their mobiles. Consequently, there are several different multiple options available here that you can utilize depending on your needs. I truly hope you like this particular feature and that it was highly beneficial for your work. Furthermore, I can personally guarantee you that if you consistently use this specific method, your account will absolutely not be suspended under any circumstances. We are using them directly within the mobile itself, not by going through multiple different proxies or using them inside an anti-detect browser. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, I will provide the link to this website here in the comment section and in the description as well. So make sure to join. Thank you so much, everyone.